The Lunker by T. Albert and beautifully illustrated by marllustrations.com. The Lunker. Rhyme and rhythm, fishing and father, story and splendid illustrations. This simple, delightful book has it all. An entire week of rollicking fishing fun that little readers will love to read or listen to. On Monday, I went fishing with my dad. He caught a big one. I was sad. On Tuesday, we fished a different spot. He caught another, and I did not. On Wednesday, we fished a different lake. The fish were there for him to take. Thursday came, and we hit the river. He caught 5, I got a silver. On Friday I told him I needed a rest. He said, "Let's go, and give it your best." Saturday came, and he caught more. I tried so hard, my arms were sore. Sunday morning, we were there very fast. I baited my hook and made a cast. A tug on my line, my reel was screaming. I caught a fish, my eyes were gleaming. When I got it to the boat, we were amazed to see the biggest fish in the lake was caught by me. Please like, share and subscribe to Arsal Academy and not forget to hit the bell icon.